Hi, I'm Marley from the Bradley Public Library, and today we're going to be making a clothespin flag wreath. Let's get started. All right, let's go over what you're going to need for your supplies. So I have red, white, and blue acrylic paints. I have 40 clothespins. We're going to alternate the red and whites, and then we'll have a section of blue. So I have 15 red, 15 white, and 10 blue. I have a bunch of stars for the blue section, and then I also have my circle that I'm going to put the clothespins around. It's just a piece of cardboard with some burlap around it to make it more rustic. And then of course I have my paper plate and some handy dandy paintbrushes. So let's get started. Okay, so for painting these, I'm just doing the top because I know that people aren't going to see the bottom. And then I'm doing the sides just in case you can see those. It'll make it easier. All right, there we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest. Okay, so I just finished the white, so next up we're going to do the red and the blue. Okay, so now that I have everything painted, I did a second coat on some of them, we can start putting it together. We will be doing our chunk of blue right here for the stars, and then I'm going to alternate 3 clothespins in the red and the white. The way that I do it is I do one really close to the center, right about here, and then the next one will be closer into the middle. You can really fit more clothespins in that way, and it looks a lot more filled in. So let's finish it off. Okay, so now we have our finished wreath, almost. We still have to glue on the stars. I'm going to be using a hot glue gun just because it's a little bit easier and because I think it'll stay on better. So let's do that next and then we'll be done. All right, so that is it. So there are some things that you could do differently if you wanted. You could always spray paint these. That would give you more of an even coverage. It would also go a lot faster. If I had spray paint, that's probably what I would do. And you'd also be able to get the back, and that would be nice. You could sandpaper these if you wanted to give it more of a rustic feel, especially with that burlap. But I think it looks pretty nice as it is. So, all right, thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.